Hey there, it's Neda. Today, I'm gonna show you some easy ways to draw different cartoon faces. Pick up whatever you love to draw with, we're diving right in. Shapes form the foundation of every face drawing. Start with a puffy circle, a rounded triangle, and a chubby square. They don't have to be perfect, just round the corners and make them a little squishy. Add 2 dots for the eyes and a curved line for the mouth on each. Just like that, you've got some simple cartoon faces. They might not even need a nose. A cartoon face can be as simple as a shape with just a few features. You can also try organic shapes or combine 2 or more shapes for more face shape ideas. In cartoon faces, features can be as simple as dots, shapes, and lines. 2 circles can be the eyes, with 2 dots inside for the pupils. You can add short lines for the eyebrows. The nose can be a circle, the mouth just a curve, and the ears 2 round shapes on the sides. There are so many shapes and styles for the facial features. Practice drawing different versions to discover what feels like your style. Draw same features on different face shapes and see how they look. Your character's uniqueness also comes from their hair shape. Draw the hair shape, then add some details. Try different hairstyles on the same face and see how much the character changes. These are just general ideas, but rounder, softer face shape and features often suggest kids or women, and sharper, more angular ones can feel more masculine. Expressions tell your character's story and show how they feel. Let's practice a few common ones. You can see happiness in raised eyebrows and a big smile. Sadness shows up with droopy eyes, downward eyebrows, and a downturned mouth. Anger has furrowed brows and a tense face. Surprise appears with wide eyes, raised eyebrows, and an open mouth. Tiredness shows through heavy eyelids, dark circles, and a worn-out look. Pride stands out with one brow raised and a confident smile. Practicing these expressions will help your cartoon faces feel more dynamic and relatable. Keep it fun and simple and give each face its own personality. Proportion is about how the features of a face relate to each other in size and placement. A typical adult face has 3 almost equal parts. From the hairline to the brows, from the brows to the bottom of the nose, and from the nose to the chin. The eyes are 1 eye apart. The ears usually start around the eyes and end around the bottom of the nose. We need to know these basics, but we don't have to follow them exactly when drawing cartoon faces. To create unique characters, we can change the size and placement of the features. Here are 3 identical faces. On the left face, I make the eyes smaller and move the eyes and brows higher. I also enlarge the nose and mouth and shift them upward, which makes the jaw look bigger. For the right one, I lower the eyes, bring the eyebrows closer together, make them bigger, and place them closer to the eyes. I reduce the nose size, then make it slightly longer, and I lower the mouth. The faces look completely different because the proportion has changed. Keep experimenting and notice how different proportions bring out different characters and personalities. By changing the placement and size of the features, we can draw the same character in different ages. Draw a circle and a center line. Place the eyes lower on the circle. This makes the lower face shorter compared to the big round upper head and forehead. Add chubby cheeks to the lower part of the face, then draw the brows, nose, mouth, and ears. As the baby grows into a little kid, I draw the same size eyes but make the eyebrows a little bolder. I draw a longer lower face compared to the baby's cheeks. I also enlarge the features to match the new face size. As the little kid grows into an older kid, I draw the same eyes again, but the eyebrows get even bolder. I draw a soft jaw that's longer than before, and the features spread out a little more too. As the older kid becomes a teen, I keep the same eyes but shape the brows a bit more. The face gets a bit longer, the jaw is more defined but still have some roundness, and the features become bigger and more spread out. As the teen grows into a young adult, I adjust the eyes to be less round and make the brows thicker. The jaw gets bigger and look more structured. I also enlarge the nose, mouth, and ears to match the age. For an older adult, I make the eyes droopier and lower the brows. The jaw is softer and less defined. I lower the nose and mouth and draw tiny wrinkles. And of course, a suitable hairstyle for each age makes the drawing even more relatable. By making the features more delicate and softening the jaw in older ages and trying different hairstyles, you can easily transform these into female characters. All done for now. If you had fun, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy drawing tips. See you in the next video.